What's the most you've ever made in a year?
Plus the man house we are looking up to above 15 million naira.
Wow.
Cashew alone gave me to 11 million naira. With farming, you cannot run out of food.
This is Mr. Okenna Ignatius. He dropped out of college as a result of financial hardship and has worked several white-collar jobs, like a filling station manager at Port Harcourt. He had to quit and came back home in 2019 to focus on farming because he has always loved to do it. In 2022, he decided to enlarge the farming from not just cassava but to a plantain plantation. Mr. Ignatius has a series of lands where he plants different plants like plantain, cassava, palm trees, and a whole lot of other things. And on average, for the plantain plantation, he makes almost $500,000 per annum. Okay, so what's the average income you make from this farm?
From this particular farm?
Yes.
For 2 years now running, an average income here around to 250,000-300,000 naira per year.
Per year?
Yes.
He also showed us a part of the farm where native mats were made. A native mat is a traditionally made mat crafted from palm leaves, raffia, bamboo, but in this case it is crafted from palm leaves. It is used as a sleeping mat, prayer or sitting mat, wall or floor coverings.
But now it is very, very rare to see a young girl who wants to stay on the ground. It's tedious somehow. You have to climb on it, cut it, bring it, peel it first, dry it, and then start making the mat.
I asked him the most challenge he has faced in farming, and surprisingly, he said no. Instead, he told me where his most profit came from, which is cassava, and how he has used it to train his sons throughout in the university who will be graduating
Like now,
soon.
my son is rounding up this coming Friday at Bayelsa Federal University of Toky.
Wow.
You know, this cassava farm has been my source to train it. Immediately by September, they are rounding up. I will sell a portion of it.
Just this year alone, he has made over 15 million naira from profit, and just cashew alone gave him over 11 million naira because this year there was a massive profit on it, and he sold a bag of cashew for about 100 to 150,000 naira. And you won't believe this, he does it alone most times because it is capital intensive. He only employs people to help him clear the land, which takes about 3 months. This is to tell you how massive this land is. He only does this for cashew land, which is about 500 meters away up the mountain. We explored the plantain plantation, the cassava farm, and the palm fruit land. So what is this acre of land? What does it look like?
Okay, this particular plantain here now, this should go up to 5 to 10 plus of land.
Wow. There are general misconceptions people have about farming, where they think is for the poor and uneducated, for people who can't get white-collar jobs, rather than seeing it as a business that requires skill, planning, and innovation. They also believe you can't make real money from farming. Personally, I've always thought farming is only about manual labor, but it's gone beyond that considering the kind of technology we have today. Farming is not outdated, even though in the case of Mr. Ignatius, it might look that way. Food is something nobody can escape. Everybody needs it, and I believe it's a wake-up call for us to invest more into farming so we can get the most out of it. And this is his advice for young people who wants to go into farming as a career.
My son and the colleagues, I used to tell them that farming is very, very good. Number one, it makes you self-independent. It will make you build confidence in yourself. You know, you can never get the primary sickness now, high blood pressure, this is because of what? Overthinking. When you wake up in the morning, you know where you're going to. There's food around you. You think less. So my advice to them is anybody who can muster the courage, come. It is enjoying. It's enjoyable.
Is it not stressful?
No, it's not. It's not stressful. If you are doing it with joy and happiness.
Okay. I hope you enjoyed this video and you loved it. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, as this encourages me to post more videos. See you in the next video. Bye.